Christmas has a way of bringing everything to the surface: the joy, the memories, and sometimes the problems we've been avoiding all year. As I prepare this pork and oxtail for Christmas dinner, I am prepping it, seasoning it. I'm reminded of how cooking is more than just food. It's patience, it's timing, it's knowing when to slow down and when to let things simmer. You see, pork and oxtail don't need to be rushed. If you rush them, they finish you. They demand attention, thought, and care. And honestly, life works the same way. All year long, we juggle problems, family issues, finances, stress, unanswered questions. We push them aside because we're busy. But when Christmas comes, everything sits at the table with us. That's why I believe life is one big puzzle. Some pieces make sense right away, others don't fit, no matter how hard we force them. I create my puzzle books with the exact idea in mind. Not just puzzle for fun, but puzzle to teach patience, focus, and solving problems. When you train your mind to solve puzzles on paper, you train it to solve problem in real life. When I'm cooking, I don't panic. If things don't come together immediately, I adjust, I taste, I think. That same mindset is what puzzles help to develop. They slow your mind down in a world that constantly rushes you. Some people think puzzles are just games, but they are actual mental workouts. They teach you how to approach challenges without frustration. And let's be real, we could all use a little mental peace during the year. As I season the meat, so does life. Not everything needs instant answers. Some solutions reveals themselves when you give them time. And just like Christmas meals, every piece eventually comes together. The best gift you can give yourself this time is clarity. Most people don't fail because they are incapable. They fail because they are overwhelmed. When problem feels too big, the mind shuts down. That's where puzzles comes in. Puzzles teach you something powerful. You don't solve the whole problem at once. You solve it one piece at a time. When you're doing puzzle, your brain learns. Focus instead of panic, strategy instead of emotions, progress instead of perfection. That's the same approach I take when cooking and with life. If I stared at this whole meal and panicked, nothing would get done. So I handle one step, then the next step, then the next. That's how real progress works. My puzzle books were designed for moments like this. That's how real progress works. My puzzle book were designed for moments like this: quiet moments, reflective moments, moments when you need mental clarity. They are perfect for stress relief, improving focus, training patience, teaching problem solving skills. And no, you don't need to be good at puzzles, you just need to start. The body isn't just about food, it's about peace of mind. So while we feed our bodies, let's also feed our mind. If you're all ready to train your brain to think clearly, calmer, and smarter, these puzzle books are waiting for you. Because when life presents a challenge, you will know exactly how to solve it. A new year doesn't start with fireworks, it starts with a decision, a quiet one, a decision to think differently, to respond differently, to approach life with more clarity and chaos. As the holiday comes to an end, the noise fades, the guest leaves, the food settles, and suddenly you're left alone with your thoughts. That's where most people struggle because a new year doesn't erase old problem. It simply asks, how will you handle them this time? Before I reset my goals, before I plan my year, I reset my mind. And that's where puzzles comes in. When you work through a word search puzzle, something powerful happens. Your mind slows down, your breathing changes, your thought becomes intentional. You stop reacting and start thinking. That's the energy you want to carry into the new year. Puzzles teaches you focus on action, patience before frustration, strategy before emotions. Those are life skills. And in a world full of distractions, mental clarity is a superpower. This new year, don't overwhelm yourself with resolution. Start small. One puzzle, one quiet moment, one intentional decision at a time. Because when your mind is clear, your direction becomes obvious. These puzzle books aren't about being perfect, they're about training your mind to think calmly, even when life isn't. And that's the kind of reset that lasts. So, as you step into the new year, remember this: you don't need a new life, you need a new approach. And sometimes the best way forward is to slow down and solve what's right in front of you. If you're ready for a clearer, calmer new year, my puzzle books are the perfect place to start. Check the link in the description.